What's up, guys? Well, we're ready to call everybody in. They've been up here for about an hour. Let's see how long this takes.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, guys.
Well, 4 out of 26. That's not too bad. These guys right here, they're a little bit younger than the rest, a little bit less inexperienced. So eventually they'll get it. So right now they are on food all day long. I just want to get them the best start that I can get them. So I don't want to start withholding food or anything like that currently. I'm going to wait a couple more weeks for that. And I'm sure once that starts happening, we'll see a big change in their speed and stuff like that. Most of these guys got it. That guy right there that is sitting in front of the bobs right now, that guy right there out of all of them is I'm going to say the least confident out of all of them. He's usually always at your last bird trap. So. You guys got to excuse me. I've been getting over the flu. Stuff's been hanging in there for going on 2 weeks now. Regardless of how I feel, still got to take care of the birds. So when it comes to the second round, we got about 15 babies in there right now. 5 that are already banded. Went in there about an hour ago. We got all kinds of brand new little guys in there. So yeah, a little bit more time. We're getting some more birds to the team. Everything as of right now is going pretty good. We got a lot of local hawks attentions already, so that's definitely not a good thing. It's part of what it is, but there's really nothing we can do to change that. So, all right, guys. Well, there's the video.